Tower, Southwest 456, rejecting on the runway.
Says 456, say again?
456, rejecting on the runway, stand by.
Tower, hello, American 1065's 8 miles, 18 left.
American 65, Austin Tower, wind 190, 1718, left, clear land.
Clear to land, 18 left, American 1065.
Tower, Southwest 456, we're going to roll the trucks, please. We're limping off the runway here at Goff. We've had a potential engine failure and a blown tire.
South 46, thanks to the Roger.
Southwest 156 from ARP Command. Which tire do you think is flat?
And for our command, it is my mistake. It is Southwest 456.
Excuse me, Southwest 456 from ARP Command.
And are you on ground?
I am on 121.0.
Yeah, we believe it's on the left side. The left engine has failed and everything sounded on the left side. It does not appear anything's on the right side, but we're not 100% sure. We're about 95% sure.
Roger that, Southwest 456.
Ops 204 Tower.
Yes, sir, let's show 18 right close at this time. I'm behind Southwest here on the approach end, and we'll do a quick inspection.
Ops 204, 18 right is now closed, and proceed on the runway.
Look around you and have proceeding on the runway.
Okay, yeah, we're sitting here. We don't have the parking brake set. We're holding them manually because of the heat.
Southwest 456 from ARP Command. You got some smoke coming out of that left engine from the front, but I don't see any flat tires. I do believe you could taxi if you desire.
Okay, yeah, we've got to wait another about 25 minutes so we can pull up the gate due to the brake cooling.
Roger that. I really don't want you pulling up to the gate because of that engine. I want to check it out a little bit more, but we can get you off this taxiway.
Okay, yeah, we could taxi over to the ramp area somewhere out in the clear just to get off the active taxiway in the runway.
Yeah, that'd be great. Just get clearance from ground and stop short of anything, and we'll check out that engine, make sure it's not doing anything weird.
Okay, sounds good. We'll see where they want us to go. We're definitely staying clear of the building right now. 456.
Roger that thing. Hey, where you are, you have fire in that left engine.
Okay, we're staying here, 456.
Southwest 456, you have fire in that left engine. We're going to go ahead and get that in the rear.
Okay, yeah, we're firing the bottom of the left engine as we speak. Yeah, we pulled the bottles while I was talking to you when you were getting ready to spray it. We fired one bottle. We have not fired the second one.
Roger that. It looks like it has extinguished. We're going to back away from you and then maybe taxi like we talked about before.
Okay, yeah, we never got a fire indication in here, but after you told us that, we went ahead and fired a bottle just to be safe. And we're going to contact ground and get a safe place to taxi where you can check it out some more.
Roger that. The fire does appear to be out, but we'll keep an eye on it while you're taxiing.
Okay, sounds great. Thanks. Southwest 456.
Southwest 1314, contact ground point now. They got the taxi to 18 left.
All right, thanks.
Southwest 456, you're clear to taxi. Excuse me, this is our command, not ground.